today's competitive world, it has really become difficult to select the right kind of career which not only suits the students' skill sets but also allows them to excel in their profile. The situation gets worse and with the lack of opportunities and right direction. In all such circumstances, the role of career guidance plays an important role. Why is it important? Students' interest is considered. Helps the student to manage his or her career effectively. One can achieve their important goals in life. Various career tests which help them to identify their field of interest, skills and capabilities. The careers tests conducted will also help the students to select the right kind of job which will suit their personality. For the best career guidance, visit CareerGuide.com.